guys, just giving you guys another little bit of help for your daily leveled work. I know I sent along these worksheets to some of you, not all of you, so this doesn't apply to all of you. We've done something like this before, so I'm not gonna write your name because there's more than one of you. And you know what? I'm about to write the date, but I don't know what it is. So let's check my calendar. Ugh, what is today? Today is the 23rd. Okay. So, it is April. So January, February, March, April. So that's 4. I can't really hold up 4 because I got a derpy finger. All right, so it's 4-23, and our year is 2020. So we're just gonna write 20. Okay, so the first thing we wanna do is just to trace our numbers 1 to 5. That's super simple. You guys know how to do this, but it's easy to practice, especially for fine motor. So I'm just gonna trace number 1. I'm gonna trace number 2. I'm gonna trace number 3. I'm gonna trace number 4. I don't super love how they do these 4s because you can also write a 4 like this, and it makes it easier for touch math. So that's what I prefer to do. And I'm gonna trace number 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna use those numbers, and we're gonna do what Miss Sarah likes to call one-to-one correspondence. And we're gonna count the objects, and we're gonna find the amount. So first, we're gonna count these flags. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so since 3 was my last one, I'm gonna find 3 on my list, and I'm gonna draw a line to 3. Okay, let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 was my last one right there. So I'm gonna find 4. That's easy enough, it's right across. So I'm gonna draw a line from 4 balloons to the number 4. This one's pretty easy. Let's count the socks. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna find number 2, and I'm gonna match it up. And now let's count the donuts. Ready? I'm just gonna tap them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I need to find the number 5. It's all the way up there. So I'm gonna draw a line up. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Up to 5. All right. All right, the number of the day is 4. And so it says circle all of the 4s. I'm not gonna do them all for you. Pun intended. But I'll find the first couple of them. So I see a 4 here. That's pretty easy. So I'm gonna circle that 4. Let's look around for more 4s. Okay, I see another one here. Okay, now I want you to look down here for the rest of them and find 4. Now I know, see, they look a little different. Sometimes you see 4 like this, and sometimes you see 4 like this, but it's the same thing, okay? So that was your easy one. All right, this is another easy one. I mean, you'll think it's easy. But we're gonna, well, let's write the date. It's 4-23-20. Okay. So this one says match the food, but I'm gonna challenge you to tell me what it is out loud, and I will write it. So this one right here, I'm just gonna write it underneath. This is chicken. So I'm gonna spell it CHICKEN. Chicken. All right, so let's find the other piece of chicken. Oh, I see it. So I'm gonna draw a line to this one. All right, this here, what is this? You know what this is. If you can say it out loud, say it out loud, okay? This is a carrot. So I'm gonna write C-A-R-R-O-T. R-R-O-T for carrot. And then I'm gonna find the other carrot and I'm gonna draw a line and match it. Okay, I know you know what these are because we made scrambled eggs on one of our first videos. So I'm gonna spell eggs, E-G-G-S, eggs. I put the S there because there's more than one egg. If this egg wasn't here, I would just say egg, but there's 2 eggs. So I'm gonna add the S to make it plural, and then I'm gonna draw a line to the other eggs. Now this one, I don't know how much of this you eat. I eat a lot of it, but I don't know how much you eat, but it's lettuce. So I'm gonna spell lettuce, L-L-E-T. There's actually 2 T's in lettuce. It's a bit of a red word, so it doesn't all make too much sense, but L-E-T-T-U-C-E. And I'm gonna match it to the other lettuce. Okay. Now this one should be easier for you because you guys are kids and you eat more of this than you do of that. So this one, we spelled this word the last time that we did one of these worksheets. And let's spell it again. So it's bread, right? So it's B-R-E-A-D, bread. So I'm gonna find the other loaf of bread. That's actually what I call my cat. He looks like a loaf of bread. Next one is something that I know Lincoln likes more than anything in the entire world. You can say it out loud or put it on your talker. It's pizza. So let's spell pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Okay. Now we're just gonna connect it to the other piece of pizza because everybody eats more than one slice, don't lie. All right, this one you might get it from McDonald's or something. It's called, say it out loud or type it. It's called a hamburger. And I'm gonna go ahead and write the whole word. Let's just write the whole word. Some people call it burgers, but technically it's a hamburger. So I'm gonna write, starts with a H. So H-A, ham, M, and then burger, B-U-R, berg, G-E-R, hamburger. And I'm gonna match it to my other hamburger. And this one's so easy because I know you all eat this food. Let's just write fries. So fries starts with a F, fur, R, I, E, S, fries. So I'm gonna make a line, go to those fries. Yum. Okay, so now we're gonna count how many of each thing that there are. Again, your one-to-one correspondence, your counting skills. So this one says, how many carrots? And it shows you the picture of the carrot, just like this one. So we're gonna count, okay? So we're gonna say 1, 2, I see another one, 3, oh, and here's one more, 4. So since 4 was the last number I got to, I'm gonna find 4, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna circle 4. Okay, how many burgers? Again, they didn't call it hamburger like I did, but they're lazy. So how many burgers? So I see 1, 2, and 3. Since 3 is the last number I got to, I'm gonna find 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna circle 3. Okay. How many chickens? Now, it's weird that they say chickens because it's not a full chicken. But it's this one here. Okay, so how many? Let's count. 1, 2. I don't see any more, so I'm gonna circle the number 2. Okay, and how many breads? Again, bad English there. It should be loaves of bread or how much bread. Yeah, Miss Sarah is a grammar hammer. All right, so how many bread loaves? 1, there's another one, 2, and 3. So 3 was the last number I got to. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and then I'm gonna circle 3. All right. Okay, here's the super fun piece. All right, same thing. So this one says, how many fish? I know you know what fish are. So let's find them. There's 1. All right, there's 1 fish. There's 2 fish. Ooh, and then I see 3 fish, 4 fish, and then this is my 5th one. So this is fish number 5. So since he was my last one, I'm gonna find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna circle 5. How many octopus? Again, grammar hammer. If it ends in US, it should be I. So how many octopi if there's more than 1? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And since 4 was my last one, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then circle it. Oh, okay. All right, so now we have how many alligators? I only see 1. I see 1 alligator. All right, so that's easy. Just circle 1. Okay, so how many alligators and let's just change this. That's just poor grammar. How many octopi? So alligators and octopi. So there's my alligator, 1. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 5 of them total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. All right. Now this one, I'm not gonna do the whole thing for you again. Our number this time is 5, just like our alligators and octopi. So you're gonna just go through here. There's 1, there's a 5. There's 5. Where's another 5? I see another 5. And I'll find 1 more 5 for you. Here's 1. 5. Okay, and then you can find the rest of the 5s. Okay. And then this one is pretty self-explanatory. You can do it yourself. I'll attempt it. I'm not a very good artist, but it just says copy the picture. So I've got my circle here, and I can write just for you guys. This is how you spell circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Wouldn't that be embarrassing if I misspelled it because I'm not paying attention? And then there's a line. It looks like a curved, like an arc line. And then this is how you do line. Line. L-I-N. And in order to make that I say its name, you gotta have the E. And then we've got another circle under here, and I won't write that again, but I'll draw it. All right, and that was the last one, and we're at